Hi, hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the new indicator setups which we have already discussed in our YouTube channel. We have seen about our option volume candles indicator in our YouTube channel, and also we have seen option chain based call or put momentum. This indicator we have also seen. But now in this video, we are going to combine both the indicators for a indicator setup, and through this setup we will be making higher confirmations for each and every breakout or breakdown, and we can easily find which is the fake breakout in the market. So most of the time we will be entering for a breakout, but we don't know whether it is a valid breakout or not. But in this video we will be clarifying that all the confusions, and we will be knowing at which point we need to make a higher confirmed entry, and whether it is a confirmed breakout or not, you will be seeing in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end, then only you will be understanding the full details of how to use this setup, and I will be explaining all the details of including this indicator, how to make the confirmations with both the indicators. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So now we are going to see the setup for 7th November 2025. So full day what happened with this full setup we are going to see. So to do this setup, first of all include the chart like this. So I have set up the layout in a 3 chart view. So you can see the first chart you will be having JJP option volume candle indicator. So with the settings, if you go for the settings, we have plotted only call option plot. That means the call option candles which is plotted in JJP option volume candles is a cumulative volume of 5 OTM strike prices, and based on that we have calculated the volume and volatility, and based on that only these candles are being formed. So this is not a normal candle which is plotted in the call option or put option. This is the candle which is been taken from the weightage of the 5 OTM strike prices based on the inputs which we are giving. So now in the inputs we are giving 25,450 for the particular day 7th November. So this is the spot ATM for the particular day opening. So once we give this, so from this ATM it will be taking the 5 OTM strike prices, and from that OTM strike prices we are going to calculate some candles. So this candles is being made from the volatility and volume based for call option as well as put option. So now to plot the call option, we have enabled the CE plot and the liquidity zone, CE liquidity zone, and we have also included PE liquidity zones here. Okay, so now if you go to the right side chart, we have included the same option volume candles indicator with the settings of Nifty and 25,450 and the expiry date. Everything is fine, and the same setup we have done here, but we have given only PE plot. So put option related candles only will be plotted here, and call option liquidity zone and put option liquidity zone. Why we are doing this liquidity zone, both call option and put option in both the charts, I will be explaining it later. So while we go into the analysis, we will be understanding about it. So now this is the basic setup, and in the center we have included our option chain based call and put momentum indicator. If you go to the settings of this indicator, you will be having an option to choose the index first of all, and we need to choose the OTM, and we need to select the same ATM strike price selection here also, and how much interval for the particular index. For Nifty 50 there is a strike price, right? For Bank Nifty 100. So like this the setup will be there, and now I have given only one range to see. So the previous one range only it will be showing for you, because now we are going to see with the replay mode for 7th November 2025. So once we do a replay mode with the first range itself we can easily see. Okay, so these are the default setups we need to do, and now I am just going to play the replay mode from the starting candle of 7th November so that we can understand how to use this indicator perfectly. Okay, now yeah, this is the first candle 9:15 in all the charts, the 3 charts we are seeing. So we already know about our option chain based indicator. So this indicator will be showing us the values of call option and put option values, and in the middle we are having the difference value, right? So we, in the previous video itself, we have discussed that if the color changes from purple to lime, then also we should wait for the values to be below 10. In the middle difference, it should be below 10, then only we will be exactly knowing the zones. Is it a valid zone, we will be seeing, right? So for that only we need to wait for the candles, the color of the middle box to be changing. So in the next candle, if you see, the color of the middle is being changed, but the value is 14. So there is no confirmation, so only you need to wait, and there is no zone till now. As you see right now in 9:35 candle, 9:30 candle, so we are seeing another zone here. So this is the zone which we have plotted for put option liquidity. So if you go to the settings of this indicator, you will be understanding. So in the settings of this indicator, we have also included the put option liquidity zone in the first chart itself. The first chart, we are only seeing the candles of call option plot. If you go to the settings, call option plot only is there, but we have also plotted the put option liquidity zone. Why? Because these zones will be acting as a support and resistance in call option as well as put option also, so that only we have plotted these zones also. Through these zones we are not going to make any entry, but these zones will be easy for us to understand whether this entry will be going for the target, or is there any other support or resistance near to our entry point. So once we take the entry, we should understand, is there any troubles in the middle, like if you are having any other zones for put option zone or call option zone in the middle itself, we can exit that position and wait for it. So we no need to expect many targets. If you are getting any in between, if you are getting any support or resistance zones like this, so put option zone is there, so we should be more careful that we can expect the market to reject back from this zone. So if you go to the next candle, you can see there is a perfect rejection from this zone, and if you see the call option side, there is no, and in the index also, there is no changes with the purple color, still it is remaining, and there is no values below 10, so still there is no entry. Next candle, so if you see here in 9:45 candle, we got a zone because the candle, the value of this difference box is 10. So as usual, we will be getting the range for the particular candle, and the same you will be getting in the option volume candles also. Through the option volume candles, what we can confirm is, because this is a candles which is made of volatility and volume, so once there is a confirmed breakout in all the three charts, then only we are going to make the entry. Otherwise, if there any breakout happens also, we can easily find it is a false breakout, it is not a confirmed breakout. So once you see here, after the zone plotted in the next candle 9:50, we got a breakdown here. For call option, we got a breakdown, so this is not a confirmed entry. In the next candle, if you see here in the index, the market is still staying inside the zone, and in the put option side also, the candle is not moving much above, so the breakout is not confirmed in the put option side. So next candle we need to wait, so there is no confirmation till now. And if you see the next candle also, still the candles are staying below for call option, but there is no confirmation happen. And in the index, you can see the breakdown happened, the confirmation in 9:55 candle with the index itself happened. But if you see, we are going to buy the put option. For put option buyers, there is no confirmation that the candles are not breaking above, so still there is no confirmation. So wait patiently until you get all the confirmations, then only we are going to make the higher confirmation entry. Even though this candle, there is no perfect breakout, the candles, if you see in this green candle 10:5, the candle is not perfectly breaking up the zones, so we need to wait patiently for the next candles. And as we have already seen in the option chain based indicator rule, whenever we are getting the line and the zone is plotted also, once the breakout happened also, we should wait for the color of the particular difference box to be purple again, then only the valid entry will be happening. Until now we are getting the line zone only, so when we are getting the ranges also, we should wait for the breakout of the zone, and if the breakout happens also, we should wait for the color of the box to be purple again. And now you can see in 10-10 candle we again got a zone here, because again the value is changing to 6. After some of the candles, again a zone has been formed, so this is the valid zone right now. So for this zone also, in call option side the candles are staying inside, and if you see in put option side there is a breakdown, but only one side the breakdown is there, so there is no better confirmation. So wait for the next candles. Again another zone has been formed, and in the next candle now you can see in 10-25 candle, in all the zones we got a breakout and breakdown. In the put option we got a breakdown for this last zone, so this is the last zone, right? So and if in the index itself we got a breakout, and here in call option side also we got a breakout. So this is the valid buy entry in index, as well as in call option is a buy entry and put option is a sell entry. If you are an option seller, you can go for put option selling, and if you are a buyer, you can go in this situation, you can buy this position. This is a valid entry. Yeah, we got a good point in the next candle itself. Yeah, this is a valid entry, and now almost we got good points in options. If you are a scalper, now itself you can exit, because almost in options you will be gaining more points, right? Again a retest. So now you can see the value of this zone in the call option zone, liquidity zone, as well as again the market came back and retested here, and again a big huge candle has been happened the green side. So this is the power of this zone. You can see perfectly the market has been retested here, and again there is a biggest candle here for in the right side. See how much points after this retest, because whenever a market is going to give a huge movement, again there will be a retest, because some of the big buyers will be buying in the same zone again, because they know the confirmation that market is going to go in this same side. So after that again there is a retest here, and this is why the candles are being big candles, because after the buyers came in this retest zone, this much big candles has been formed. And here itself we got the purple confirmation, so that is why we have mentioned in a bar color change also. So once after the line, again here only the purple color has been formed, so this is the entry point for us. So at this 10:30 candle we got the confirmation that call option is a right signal, so we are going call option buying is a right, so that is what it is mentioned in the bar color also. And now you can see the put option liquidity zone has been breaking down, okay, and in the call in the index also it is breaking up, and in call option side also it is breaking up. And now you can see in the call option liquidity zone is very nearby, so try to avoid this entry, because the zone is very near, so the target will be very low. But if you are a small scalper, you can enter this trade. Most of the time if the target is very low, try to avoid those entries, because most of the opportunities will be there in the market. Be patient and take the highly important entries. So exactly one candle it has given in our side, and again there is another zone for now, and now you can see the breakout has been happened for this put option liquidity zone, and here also breakdown happened, but in call option side the breakdown is not been confirmed, so this is not a valid entry. It is going to be a false breakout, so we should not be considering this entry now, and we should wait for the next candle. Now in the next candle only we got the confirmation in call option also, so this is a valid entry, but for this also the zone is very near, so the target will be very low only for this entry from in our entry point. That's it for the day. This is what happened in 7th November 2025. So the full day we have seen how to compare with option chain based indicator and our option volume candles indicator. Why we are including the option volume candles indicator is the very important thing is we are going to find what is the false breakout and what is the confirmed breakout entry. Once we confirm this with call option, put option side as well as in the index with our option chain based indicator, then you will be mostly filtering out all the false breakouts and only entering in the highly accurate entries. That is what we are seeing in this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you all understood how to use this indicator setup. If you have any other doubts, comment below this video and we will be discussing more about these indicators, and I hope all this analysis will be useful for you. I want you all traders to make your own analysis for each and every indicators and videos which we are posting. Whatever we say, it's an educational purpose. So now you are learning and making your own analysis with our indicators. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel till now, click on subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thank you traders.